Hi, AT from CNC at Home. Here in my daughter's room, the knob has pulled through the door, both the front and the back. This has obviously been something that's been in the works for a while. On the front, the knob covers up the hole just fine. In the back, we need to have a washer. I'm thinking of cutting something out of wood, basically a round washer, put a hole in it, maybe do a little engraving, finish it, and then use that. Before we get the material and the project lined up, I'm going to focus the laser. We simply do that by loosening the set screw here, sliding our focus block underneath the laser, and just let it sit down on there. And that's our focus height. Tighten this back up, pull our focus block out of the way. Now we want to align the laser to the bottom of the material, and then we'll set the project to burn from that point. So I'm going to fire the laser at a really low setting. I'm using 0.2%, and then we'll just get this down into that lower corner. I'm going to shift to 0.5 millimeter movement. There we go, it's on the material. Okay. I'm going to make sure that this actually is on the material well enough. And we'll select our project within light burn, and we will move it so that the lower left corner of our project is in that location. Do a quick frame. Okay, so the burn is going to be on our material. Double check our burn parameters. I'm going to slow this down a little bit just to ensure that we get cut through this plywood. Before we start, I want to make sure to turn on my exhaust fan, and let's get the air assist turned on. The air assist and the exhaust on, we can start the burn. I see this is burning in the wrong order. Hopefully that won't be too much of an issue. Let me just stop this and change the order real quick. What we want to do is we'll burn the text first. Then I'll come back and burn just that outer edge. We can see that center hole did plop right out, and that was after a couple passes, which is what it should do. We shouldn't really need 3 passes. There are inconsistencies in this plywood and thicknesses of glue, that sort of thing, that will sometimes require a slower pass or more than 2 passes. So I typically do 3 just to make sure. Just remove the wood. And the center just fell through the honeycomb. And there we go. We have ourselves a washer. Let's go and get this installed. This makeshift washer did an excellent job doing what it needed to do, covering up the big hole and allowing that screw to hold the knob in place. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like the content of our channel, please think about subscribing. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.